What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, I finished putting on the pieces of carbon made by Full 6. The detail and quality of this carbon is very, very nice. The carbon that sits on the gas tank is actually made by BMW. That BMW Performance logo didn't come with it. The side tank panels and the side panels are also made by BMW. I had a little bit of fitment issues with the side tank panels. I had to drill larger holes in them in order for them to work. And the side panels, when I received one of the items, it was broken. I reached out to BMW. BMW did say that either they would refund my money or they would send me out another piece, which is one of the reasons of why I went with Full 6. I also purchased a carbon piece from Burger. Wasn't too happy about it from the money that I spent because it was the same quality of Full 6, which was a little cheaper and more expensive than BMW. I didn't have any fitment issues. Everything turned out pretty good. Hit the like button, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. Thanks.